Welcome viewers to My Startup TV. I'm your host Antira. Today we bring to you the latest from the world of technology. Top headlines for today are: YouTube to get picture-in-picture mode on iOS. Xiaomi to develop a technology that will charge smartphones with sound. You can now change fonts on Google Messages. Before I proceed with today's news, I request our viewers to take necessary precautions as the battle against COVID-19 is not over yet. Always wear a mask, wash your hands frequently, step out only if needed, and maintain social distancing. Remember, this is the time we fight the virus together. News for today are: YouTube will soon launch a picture-in-picture feature for iOS. This feature will allow users to watch videos while carrying out other activities on their iPhones and iPads. Xiaomi is currently working on a new charging technology that will use sound to charge smartphones. The technology will have two components: sound collection device and power conversion device. Google is launching a new feature which will allow users to pinch to zoom to change the font size of their Google Messages for Android. All the timestamps and message bubbles will adjust accordingly. An iOS bug has been detected which can disable an iPhone's ability to connect to Wi-Fi hotspots. This could happen if the iPhone tries to initially connect to a hotspot with a specific name that breaks the function. Deep tech startup Sarthi.ai has raised a seed funding investment from Lead Angels Network. The funding amount is undisclosed. That's all for today.
Well, it's important for us to be able to deliver the problem statements, the realities of building businesses. I don't think they are uncommon, but what I find is a uniqueness in every startup's journey that is very endearing to the audience, where the audience picks up nuggets of information through the learnings. Some of it is corroboration between one story and another. Some of it is enlightenment because it's something that dawned upon you when you're watching a segment, session, or a piece. But I think it's very important to do what you're doing. I wouldn't have found a better way than My Startup TV to deliver this message in its authenticity and its reality, because you're focused, right? I think that focus is something that people don't look at really well, but you guys are doing it. It means a lot to take the message out. It means a lot for people to watch and learn through this medium, and I think it's a great thing to do. So,
दादी के हाथ का स्वाद याद दिलाए दादी मसाले।
Get to know about the size of top apps by Indian startups. Welcome viewers to My Startup TV. I am your host Aishwarya. I'm back with another episode of What's the Trend. With almost 3 million apps on the Play Store, it is not easy to convince a user to download an app. The mobile app size impacts the app downloads a lot. The first thing customers see before downloading an app is the size of the app. This aspect decides whether it should be downloaded or not. Indian startups have managed to make space on our phones because of their use that caters to most of our needs. But do all of us know how much space it takes on our mobile phones? Byju's is an Indian multinational educational technology company with an app size of 52 MB. It was founded in 2011 by Baiju Ravindran and Divya Gokulnath, an app that kids are very attracted to as it helps to learn subjects like coding, etc. PhonePe, an Indian digital payment and financial services system, size 35 MB, which is now being used as an alternate option to Google Pay. It was founded by Sameer Nigam, Rahul Charu and Burzin Engineer.
It went live in August 2016. Udaan app is a platform that enables small manufacturers, farmers, mills to sell their products across the country with 100% security. Its app size is 31 MB. It was founded by Sujit Kumar, Amod Malviya and Vaibhav Gupta in 2016. Swiggy, India's largest online food ordering and delivery platform, started in 2014. An app which has been a constant source of happiness for people during the lockdown by fulfilling food cravings. It was founded by Sri Harsha Majeti, Nandan Reddy and Rahul Jamini. The app size of Swiggy is 31 MB. Paytm, an Indian e-commerce payment system founded by Vijay Shekhar Sharma in 2009, has an advantage over many other apps that allows it to make payments via credit card. Its size is 30 MB. Ola Cabs is an Indian multinational ride-sharing company offering services. It was founded by Bhavish Agarwal and Ankit Bhati on 3rd December 2010. Cred is an Indian fintech startup with an app size of 27 MB founded by Kunal Shah in 2018. It allows users to make payments via debit cards, UPI and credit cards. Users also get rewarded with Cred points when they make payments through credit cards. Zomato, an Indian multinational restaurant aggregator and food delivery company, was founded by Dipender Goyal and Pankaj Chadda in 2008. An app which provides many perks to its users by initiatives like Zomato Gold. Its app size is 22 MB. Flipkart is India's biggest online store for mobiles, fashion, etc. Its app size is 17 MB. It was founded by Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal. With online deliveries ruling the country right now, Flipkart has been of great help. PharmEasy, India's most trusted online pharmacy, was founded by Dr. Dhaval Shah in 2014. Its app size is only 14 MB. A platform where you can purchase medicines online and get it delivered to your doorstep. That's all for today. We have over 400 startups and MSME shows on our TV channel. Do check out. My Startup TV is now available on Google Play Store, so you can get all the latest news on startups and MSMEs on the move. You can also support us by subscribing to our TV channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. You can follow us on Koo, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn or visit our website www.mystartuptv.in. Thanks for watching.